I'm just about to start work editing a video that I took a couple of nights ago, and here's just a wee tiny extra bit for the members, a bit that wouldn't be going on the channel. So here's a wee bit of behind the scenes info for the members. We just walked in completely the opposite direction of where we need to be. I think we walked for what, Jay, was it about 30 minutes, 45 minutes? Yeah. All the way down the hill in there. The wrong way from the car, so we're back up at the top here and we're going to go back to the car. Jay's going to put on her welly boots and we're going to head down in the opposite direction, because I checked Google Maps and we're pretty sure, well, I'm pretty sure that it's doing this way, but of course I was pretty sure it was that way, so who the hell knows where it is. So there you go. But look at that beautiful view there of the Ailsa Craig out there, sitting, Paddy's milestone plonked right there in the water. And that's Jay walking on to get to her welly boots in the car, because the land was quite marshy there. And although I've got a nice pair of Scarpa Gore-Tex boots on, my feet are completely dry, even though I was squelching my way through the marsh. She's only got a wee thin pair of kind of sand shoes on. She thought it would be a nice wee stroll down to a sandy beach. As it turned out, it was a climb down a cliff face to the Rag area and through marshes and nettles. So anyway, just thought I'd let you know some of the stuff that I wouldn't be putting onto the main video, because I like my videos to be slick. Tell me you really want to get your leg out. Right, get your leg out. Right, we're pretty sure, as sure as we were the last time, we're pretty sure this is the way down. We actually see that there's a kind of used wee trail over this fence. Whoa! So it's quite possible and likely, especially because there's quite a lot of litter here, as you see as well. So a lot of the young ones might come down and party near the cave. So this could very well be the way that we should have gone in the first place. However, here, oh hello. Did Lassie no fly down there? No. Jeez, we can't get, look at that, we can't get in there. No. Oh my god. But that's definitely a beachy bit. So that's there, look, there's a couple of people. Look, other human beings going down a trail. So that's obviously the trail down. So what do you want to do? So there you go. Now that might not be quite clear about what's going on there, because you haven't seen the full video yet. As soon as you see the full video, things will become a bit clearer, you'll understand more. Basically what happened was, when we arrived at the area where this cave is that's going to be featured in the video I'm working on now, it was quite a climb down. Some steep hills through marshes, over fences, over stone walls, through nettles, which we both get stung on, and we eventually arrived at the cliff edge and realised I was about half a mile too far to the south. So we had to walk all the way back up the hill, walk along to the car. Jay was going to get her welly boots, but she decided in the end not to, and she continued down the correct path without her wellies. But then we did find the right path and continued on down. So it'll become much clearer when you see the full video, which I'm hoping to get published tomorrow, if not tomorrow, Friday, hopefully Friday, and you'll see the full one. It's going to be quite a story. A little heads up, it's about a Scottish cannibal called Sawney Bean, Sawney Bean, Bean. If you want to look Sawney Bean up on Wikipedia or something, and you'll see the story about this 16th century Scottish cannibal. That's where I was at his cave today, not today, the other night with my wife, and it's going to be quite a story. So just for the members.